Out doing a little bit of toy photography. Super sunny, but one of my favorite spots, Coldwater Spring. Going over, do some toy photography with Link. Of course, one of the shots that I had to get was kind of a recreation of the Breath of the Wild cover itself, which I think turned out pretty cool. Sometimes you need to get in weird spots to film this stuff. As I was walking back to my car, this wall looked kind of like a big castle wall, so I tried to do something with that. And then here's the bulk of a shot that I did that I had to use my little armature. It's actually a magnifying glass holder with just the holder that you get for like a couple of the action figures. Hers that was clear. I decided to use that as on the end of the magnifying glass as holder, just because it's got a little bit more weight, so I could do some more stuff with it like higher up, like here. And then we just have to get that out in Photoshop, and here's the final result. Thanks everybody for checking out this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Follow me at Knocked Out Films on all social media.